Welcome. In front of me is an ASUS Zenfone 9, and today I'll show you how you can boot this phone into recovery mode. So to get started, simply hold the power key, select power off, and when the phone turns off you want to hold power key and volume up at the same time. This will boot us into boot mode. There we go. So in here, using volume keys to navigate, you want to select recovery mode and then press power key, confirm it. Give it a moment and it should boot us into recovery mode. And there we go. Now in this mode you will also use volume keys to navigate, and power key will also be used to confirm whatever is selected. Now from here we can reboot the device and go back to Android, reboot to bootloader, which basically takes us back to the previous page. We can enter fastboot mode, wipe data, run graphics test, and simply power off the phone. So that's all the options here. And because I want to leave this mode, there's nothing more to show. I'm gonna stick with the first option that is already selected, confirm it, and this will now reboot the device and take me back to Android. And as you can see, we are now back in Android. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.